Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial. Now, I hope it's quick, but it may be a little long, so you'll have to have little patience with me. This is for Boots Boutique. This is for installing the correct components and lining up the correct ID numbers and stuff like that, and getting rid of any errors and basically making Boots Boutique work. Firstly, thanks to all the creators like Slack. Okay, like DN7 who makes these boot add-ons, and for Fallon who puts this all together, and other people on EvoWeb. Quickly, the first thing you need to do is you need to download Boots Boutique from EvoWeb. I'll put the link in the description, so head on over there, go and download Boots Boutique right here. Okay, once you download Boots Boutique, you should get something like this. Okay, right here. Once you get this, close that, go and download this right here called CPK browser view and extract files. Download this. Once that is installed, download the current add-on pack that we should all use, to be honest, by DN7 Kits, who does an amazing job. He even makes insanely good kits. So download his latest boot pack, which is August 2025. As you'll see that there are some boots missing from here. For example, the Coral Blaze or the new Mbappe boots. I'll show you how to add those on later. So once you download the boot add-on, okay, you can download the add-on right here. Make sure to also download the CSV and thumbnails right here for the boot, so these thumbnails. And please copy this, okay, and place it into your cider.ini correctly, because without it you will not be able to run this. So go into cider add-ons, go and open your ini file, and make sure it's placed like this right here. Paste it, save it, and move on. Okay, now once you've installed this, this is basically the boot root that I wanted to show you. You don't have to use this, but this is what I use because it's updated, and I only use it for sometimes for conveniency, that in game you can edit the players rather than Boots Boutique. But yeah, this is the basically the boot root that I use. Keep in mind, boot root and Boots add-on is completely different. You don't need to, like, it's nothing, it's not similar. But yeah, this is for in-game. Boots Boutique is for out of the game. Now next you need to download, you can go and download, if you don't have it already, please download Smoke Patches database. So come to Smoke Patches website. If you have FL26, come here to this icon, click on database reference, and please download these two things. It'll be on a mega, so you can change player boots. Now basically you need to set up your stuff. So create a folder called 2021 underscore boots. Go on to CPK browser that I told you to download. Go ahead and open that. Okay, we need to extract three bins. We need to extract boot, glove, and play ID. So for that you need to go to open CPK, go to local disk D or wherever you've installed your game at, go to FL and go to data right here. Click on data 10, I think it is, pretty sure it's 10. Come here, come common, go on etc, go to pest db, and you'll find something called boots and glove. Please extract both. So extract boot first, extract glove then, and go back to opencpk, go back to local disk D or wherever you installed your game. Go to download now. So data was here, go to download, go to this right here, data underscore s2526, double click that, double click this, open common, go to etc, go to pestdb again, and here you'll find player bin. Okay, extract this as well. Once you extract these three, you should have a folder named common. For me it came on desktop because I came on this on the browser. Go to settings. Okay, you see this extract path, it may be in date in local disk D or somewhere. Change it to desktop. So go here, click on desktop, click OK, save and close. Am I recording? Yeah, yeah. Save and close this right here. Refresh and open it again, then it should be saved here. So once you do that, you should get a common right here. Okay, you paste the common folder right here. 1 second, how do I make this work? My bad. You place common inside 2021 boots. Okay, so you paste it right here inside. I've already pasted mine, so you just need to paste this inside here like this. Okay, Once you paste that, you need to you'll see etc right here. So etc PSDB, you'll have all these three here. Okay, I don't have it right now as of now, but I'll show it to you how to do it. Okay, so you paste it in here. You'll have etc PSDB and these three here. Once you have these three, very easy. You need to create a path like this. So character 0 inside common. Okay, go to common, create a new folder called character 0, create a folder called model, create a folder called character, create a folder called boots, and a folder called gloves. Once you have this path right here, which is 2021 boots, common, character, model, character, create these two folders, and now go to your boot add-on. So by DN7, you download it, extract it. You'll have this folder right here. Go to boot add-on, go to common, go to character 0, go to model, go to character, go to boots, and copy these two right here. Boots high cut list and boot list. Copy these two, go back to 2021 boots and paste it over here. Okay, once you paste this over here, you do the same thing for gloves. So you go back to boots, you go to glove, and you copy this. Close that, go to 2021 boots, go to common, go to character, go to model, go to character, go to glove, paste. Okay, once you've done that, majority of your stuff is done. Okay, um, then you need to create a folder called render. So just head over here, go to a new folder, hit render. Okay, hit save. No, hit save, and you should have render. Open render. Okay, now thumbnails and CVC that you also downloaded from DN7, extract it. Okay, you should get a folder right here. Open this folder. Open this folder. Copy thumbnail. Go to 2021 boots. Okay, create another folder inside over here called, sorry, go into common, my bad, go into common, create a folder render and paste it inside render like this. Paste it. These are the thumbnails of the boots. Okay, now once that is done, you go back to 2021 boots, and under common create a new folder. Okay, and name it CSV. Okay, remember, name it CSV. Go back to the thumbnail folder, copy these two files, which is hidden boots and hidden gloves, copy it, or you can drag and drop it inside this right here like this. Okay, once that is done, you're done with majority of your stuff. Okay, you may not have symbol. I'll tell you later how to get it, but you may not have symbol, so you may not have the thumbnails in Boots Boutique. Once you're done with that, you can head on to documents. So mine is in OneDrive. I'm pretty sure yours will be in OneDrive, but you can go to documents, go to Konami, go to eFootball PES 2021, go to 2026, go to save, go to edit, copy this. Okay, copy this and paste it. Now let me just copy mine from here. I don't know why I do this. Copy this and go back to 2021 boots and paste it over here. Okay, so you should have 3 files now. Okay, if you did everything correctly, you should have 3 files. So 2021 underscore boots, you should have common, you should have 3 files under common, which is character 0, model, character, boots. You should have these two here. You should have one glove list bin there. Go back, go to etc, go to PESDB. You should have 3 over here, so boots, glove, and player. You should have render, thumbnail, glove and spike, and that. Okay, you should have CSV as a second folder with these two in it, so hidden boots and hidden gloves, and put your edit file over here. Once you've done this all successfully, you can go to Boots Boutique. Let me just close it so I can reopen it for you. Open Boots Boutique. If it's a little fast, please bear with me. You can slow down the video. Open Boots Boutique. You may get an error now. Okay, you may get an error. So go to File, go to Settings. Click these 3 dots. Find your 2021 boot. For example, I usually place mine in my FL directory, but for now I'm placing it in desktop. Find it right here and click select folder. Okay, click OK. Your boots may not load. Okay, your boots may not load, so go to open files right here. Oh, okay, mine loaded, sorry. Yours will not load in the start, okay? For example, yours will actually have an issue like this. In fact, you know what? Let me just show it to you. Let me close it. Let me delete these two and let me go to uh, let me go to thumbnails right here. Uh, these two right here. Let's sorry, my bad. Copy that. Let me show you how it works. CSV. Okay, paste these two here. Close it. Okay, so CSV right here. Now open Boots Boutique. Now you should see an error, so I'll just show you how to get rid of it. Again, go to file, go to settings. Again, if you want, don't have to do this, but click on Boots, click select. Okay, so make sure this is loaded here. Click OK and click open files. Now you should get this right here. This is the warning you should get. It's a simple fix. If you can see it over here written not loaded, it's a very simple fix. What you need to do is go into your 2021 boots. Okay, open this that comes over here, the hidden boots log. Open it with a notepad. Go into CSV. Open hidden boots with a notepad, and all you need to do is delete the files that are duplicated over here. Okay, all you have to do is that. So this is the duplicate, you have to delete it over here. So the first boot is 62 Konami. So 62 Konami is right here. Just delete this. Okay, the second is 1022 Adidas, whatever. Copy this, hit Control F, search it, you'll get it. Once you get it, see the numbers: 1022, 1023, 1024, all the way till 1039. Okay, all the way till 1039. So all you have to do is from 1022 you need to just scroll to 1039. Delete this. Okay, now find the next one, which is 2010. So search it up, 2010 Adidas F50. Okay, once you find that, again just follow the numbers. So 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 14. Okay, so it's still 2014. Just clear all that. Okay, 2014. The next is 2021 Nike right here. So go right on top, Control F, find that Safari 2020 whatever. Okay, see 2021, 2022, 2023, 24, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so it's still 9. Okay, once you've done that, find the next one, which is 2023 Nike right here. Just copy the boot ID number. Okay, so 2020, so 2032, 2033. This and this let's just do. Okay, 2023, 502 5 sorry 5012, 5013, 5014. So all you need to do is search for 5012. Scroll on top, F, there you go. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19. Okay, so 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19. Okay, boom, you're done. Delete all those duplicates, come here, save, close, refresh, go back to boots, click on file, and now click open files, and now you should see it's loaded. Once you have done that, go and change a player's boot. So for that you can go to anyone you want. For me, I'll go to Real Madrid. um let's change a player's boots. Let's refresh a little bit. And I don't know why FL is so slow like this. um let's see. Let's change Vinicius Junior's boots. Okay, he's wearing this black color 9192 boot. Now to change this, you need to go to your thumbnails in 2021 boots. So go to desktop. This is how I change it, so you can also, if there's another way you can do that. Go to comment, go to render, go to thumbnail, go to spike, and choose any boot you want. So Vinny wears Nike, so let's change a Nike boot for him. Let's give him this pink boot right here. In fact, no, let's give him this this boot right here. Okay, let's give him this boot. So 2332, remember the code. So 2332 right here, this green one. Come here and search 2332, should be saved. Wait, I think I selected the wrong one. 2232, my bad, my bad. 2232 right here. This should come up. Click on finishes, click on change. This should change right here. You click on file, you click on save file, click OK. Next thing you need to do is go back to 2021 boots, go to common, go to character, go to model, character, boots, list bin, copy this, go to your live cpk right here in your data directory. I mean, go to boot add-on, go to common, go to character, go to model, go to character, go to boots, and paste this right here. Overlist it if you have to, and this will work in game. Okay, this will work in game. Now, once that is this is complete for Boots Boutique. So if you don't understand anything, rewind the video back, go into as slow as you want and watch it. This is how you install Boots Boutique with the current add-ons and stuff like that. Now, what I want to also show you is how to install a face on Boots Boutique. Now, you will get most of the faces, so 27,000 faces from the FL directory itself. It's in data pack 14. So you click on browser. Okay, you go on this browser that I gave it to you, that freaking data pack extractor. Go to open cpk, go to FL26, go to data, go to 14, open this. It has 27,000 mini faces. Click this, click comment, click render, click. Now this symbol right here, this player, it has 27 mini faces. Extract it, extract to another folder, extract it to local disk E or D. Okay, by going to settings here and changing it. Once you extract it, it will all come out in a DDS file. You need to download. It'll all come out corrupted for some reason, I don't know why, but it will come out corrupted. You need to download this right here, a PES DDS converter tool. Okay, download this right here. um take the software and copy it somewhere you want it to be done. So for example, PES DDS right here. So say you want 27,000 photos installed on local disk D and not on local disk D, then you take this right here. Okay, copy this tool, paste it wherever you want, open a new folder and type, for example, I don't know, mini faces like this. We can create something. So I already have one right here, mini faces. This is what I did actually. You can, let me see if it's over here. Yeah, right here. This is all okay. Can you see these white folders? This is how it loads actually. Okay, this is how it loads, and you will not be able to see the faces. That's what happened with me. So what I did is I created a folder called mini face. Okay, and I just copied the the address. Like I made mini phase and common render symbol player like this. Okay, and then you see, if you notice all the way down, all the pictures have been loaded. What I did is basically create this thing, go inside here with all your pictures. All your DDS files should be here, and they should all have this white color symbol. Okay, if they have that white color symbol, you need to just paste this right here. So let me show you. Okay, now for example, say I want to get one of these guys from DDS to PNG. If I open this right here, wherever you place this file, this software, it extracts it in that folder itself. Hence why I'm telling you to do it in local disk DOE, because if you don't have space in local disk C, this can be a big issue. So say I want to convert let's say this guy right here, I want to convert his DDS into a PNG. What I usually do is I take his and I convert it into a PNG. First you click this right here, this dot, convert it into a PNG. This should convert it into a PNG like this. Okay, so see, it creates a folder, in the thing itself. So this you copy. Okay, this you copy and you can paste it in your um 2021 boots. You copy that face, go to common, you go to render, you create the symbol, you create player, and you paste it over here, and it should load. You get what I'm saying so far? So let me do an example with you with Antonio Rudiger. Okay, so for you can see Rudiger's boot is loaded but his face is not. So firstly get a face. Okay, now the face part is also different. What you need to firstly do is remove the so download a face. This is what I do. I go to Antonio Rudiger's name, for example, the player I want, and I usually click UEFA or La Liga, the leagues that they are in. You usually will find their face. Sorry if it's a little slow. Go to images, and this is the face I downloaded. If you notice right here, this is the face I downloaded. So you download this. Now what I do is actually I have a modded PixArt freaking software on my phone which I use to remove background. So I go on my phone, I go to Google Chrome, I type the exact same thing right here. I download this, I go into PixArt, I remove the background, and then I use this software called Theme. Okay, I use this software which I've connected it to my phone via Bluetooth or internet, my bad. And you can send it from your phone to your PC, download it. This is where I get the files from. Once you download it, it should load up over here. This is the name I've given him. You can remove backgrounds with this website, remove.bg, but it's the quality of the picture lessens. And you can also use this software called GIMP, but I'll be honest with you, it's a little complicated for me, hence why I don't use it. But you can find loads of tutorials on YouTube to remove backgrounds from players and stuff like that. For example, now let me show you how to create how to create a face. Okay, like how to input a face in Boots Boutique. So first, when you extract the players from DT14, it'll come into a DDS. Convert the DDS into PNG the way I showed you with that file, pest DDS. Once you've done that, you'll have a PNG. Okay, now for this you need to open GIMP. You click on File, you click on Open, and you find your picture that you want. So Rudiger, for example, right here. Let's open them up. Pause. Sorry if it's a little slow. My PC is very ass, bro. Okay. Uh, you can use whatever you want. I usually crop his picture till his neck side. So go to this crop tool right here. Shift plus C you can press as well. Click on it and crop his face. So go to the top of his head and oops, my bad. Right here. Okay. Press enter. This should crop it. Right click. Go to image. Click on scale image. Make sure the image width and height is set to 128 or it won't work. So 128, this chain, unclick it, it should load both to 128. Let it be on cubic. Scale this. Okay, once you scale this, go to the FL26 list that I told you to download, if you all remember, from here. Okay, search his name, copy it, paste it over here with Control F. Okay, get his ID, which is 104677 right here. Copy this ID. Okay, once you copied it, see his face, right click on it, go to file, go to export as. Okay, now see, this is already a PNG file, so I'm not going to export it as a DDS. But what you need to do, if this is a DDS or if this is a JPEG or if this is any type of other files, okay, like all these type of files right here, okay, all these type of files, if it's a DDS or whatever, you need to change it into a PNG. So for example, this is a PNG, so I found mine right here, PNG. Okay, so PNG you can select, remove his name, paste his ID 104677, click export. Okay, click export, click export, and you should have his face loaded right here. Now copy this face with his ID, copy this, go to 2021 boots, go to common, go to render, go to symbol, create, if you don't have it, please create a folder called symbol. Inside it, create a folder called player. Inside it, paste right here. Okay, once you paste it, it should be over here. Go back to boots. If it, yeah, it's come. You just need to scroll up and down and load it. If it doesn't load, you can go to open files again, like you can just reopen files, or you can exit, reopen Boots Boutique, his face should come. So as you saw, his face came right here. So that's how you do, that's how you put a face. And yeah, that's that. So I hope this video helps you. If this video was a little fast, please slow it down. And if there's any queries, maybe you can send this video to someone on EvoWeb and maybe they can also help you out. Okay, before I go, I'll show you one more thing on how to install a individual boot for a player. Okay, so let me show you something. Let me show you how to install an individual boot for a player. Uh, I have to go to okay, let's go over here. Let's go and find a boot that someone installed. um let's go find a random boot. In fact, let's go and find Mbappe's latest boot. I don't know if somebody installed it. Let's search for it. Let's remove all this. These guys do an amazing job on EvoWeb, I swear. Like, let me show you this guy right here, Leonardo, DN7 Fallons. They're insane on this. Let me show you how to install, for example, Haaland's boot. Okay, let me show you this Haaland boot, and let me show you the latest Mbappe. Yeah, this Mbappe boot. I want to show you how you can install it in game. Let's see. Let's see. Let's find the file. 142. So sorry guys if this is slow. You can skip forward in the video. Okay, yeah, this guy. So I guess this guy asked for the for the boot, and this guy uploaded it. It's called FL26. You can go and download it. I've already have it downloaded. I think it's over here, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, I've already downloaded the boot. So let's download that boot. Let's download what boot was this? F that pen. Let me just show you how to install a boot. Okay, or multiple boots. um okay, now let's say for example you want to install this Mbappe boot, and you want to install this sketcher boot. Okay, so first you take this, you copy this. Okay, go to 2021 boots, go to common, go to render, go to thumbnail, go to spike, and please paste it over there like this. I already have it, but I'm still showing it to you. Once you paste that, you get the boot. Now you copy the boot file, so 9710, find for it in the folder. So 9710, copy this, go to boots add-on, go to FL26, go to cider add-ons, go to live cpk, go to boot add-on, go to common, character, model, character, boots. Oh, what the my bad, hold up, so sorry. Go to asset, model, character, boots, and paste it over here. Okay, once you paste it over here, open hidden cs, or open the hidden folder. So go to 2021 boots again, go to csv, go open this with notepad. Now you need to give it a name. You can name it anything. The hell, bro. You can name it anything you want, but the id has to be correct. So for example, the boot's name is where was it? Right here. The boot's name was 9710. So go to notepad, put it over here, 9710. Make sure you hit this colon shit, this right here, don't forget. And then you can type any name you want. So Mbappe's new boot's name, for example, you can search it like this on footy headlines. So Mbappe new boot footy headlines, like this. uh you can, is this the new one? Yeah, this is the new one right here. Footy headline is an insanely good place to get the names of it. So this is the name of the boot right here. So you copy the name of the boot. You don't have to be honest. You can name it anything you want, but for accuracy's sake, paste that over here. uh okay. Oh, you need this all uppercase. So wait, let me open this with notepad plus plus. So 9, what the frick was that? Bro, I keep forget. I am so stupid with the names, bro. I keep forgetting the ID. 9710. Okay. 9710. You hit this, you paste this, you make it all uppercase. So uppercase, you can name this anything you want and you click save. Okay, so there's three steps. You install the boot folder in boot add-on, you install the thumbnail in you install the boot thumbnail in the thumbnail folder in 2021 boots, and make sure to always put the ID over here like this. Okay, once you do that, you can go to file again, you can click open files, it should reset everything. Go to Real Madrid. uh, let's try and load the boots for these players. I don't know why it doesn't load quicker. Like, you have to keep doing this icon shit for like thousand of times for it to like load. Let's see. Now Rudiger's will load. Oh no. Yeah, I don't know why this takes so long to load. No clue. Yeah. Let's go to Mbappe. If you remember, 9710. To change boots, honestly, always go to the thumbnails of 2021 boots, because that's where you'll get most of the you'll get the boot plus the number ID number, which is pretty helpful. So go right here. So for example, let's say I want Mbappe to wear these two boots right here. I want him to wear all these boots, right? So let's do three boots so that you know it works. Let's do 9190. Oh no, let's not do 9190. I don't have it actually. Let's keep my mouth shut and let's do the orange one right here. So 9710. Go to Boots Boutique, click on it. Okay, remove all this. 9710. As you can see, the boot loaded. Click on change and that should change it. Remember, this will still not work unless you hit save. Then you need to go to 2021 boots. Remember, common, character, model, character, boots, copy boot list. Go back to add-ons, go to FL26, go to cider add-ons, go to live CPK, go to boot add-on, go to asset, model, character, boots, paste this over here. Oh, what am I doing? I'm so dumb. My bad, guys. I'm so sorry. You need to go common, character, model, character, boots, and please paste it over here. I'm so sorry. I'm so dumb. Okay, let me close everything and let me run the game for you so that you can see it does work. Now, please keep in mind to fast forward this part of the video because my computer is super slow and I'm pretty sure it's gonna take me around 3 to 5 minutes to freaking load this dumbass game. So I'm so sorry. Let's remove all this. I hope this is, yeah, this is saved and everything is done. Okay, now let's open the game. Now please skip forward to where I open the game. I'm just going to wait for the game to open. So I'm going to go in complete silence right now. If there's no sound, it's because I muted the game because I usually use Spotify to freaking um hear music and play. Okay, hopefully this worked and hopefully this whole tutorial is not a waste. I think Trent still has his freaking boot not loaded for some reason, which I'll have to fix later on. But I hope Mbappe does. So see how slow it is, bro. My freaking PC, man. Okay. If it doesn't have, I'm pretty sure I have to go to 7. Okay, there you go. This boot is loaded right there, as you can see. Boots loaded as well. Clean, looks insane. Look at the detail. I'm just in awe and shock with the boot makers on EvoWeb and how well they make these boots. Insanely good quality, top tier. Uh, so yeah, that's all I have to say. Let me just go and see if Trent's boots have come, because I remember he had invisible boots for fuck's sake. I mean, yeah, his boots is there. Okay, okay, okay. Everything is okay. Everything is okay. Right. So yeah, so the boot root that I was talking about, by the way, boot root, which I'm pretty sure a lot of you use, is this right here. Right. So if you don't know how to use boot add-on, I mean sorry, boots add-on or boots boutique, then obviously you can use like this to get the boots, but you're limited, right? You just have like few boots of Adidas, and then you get Nike, then you get Puma, and then few right there, right? You don't get everything compared to things. So also remember one thing. For example, if I say if Trent wears this boot right here, and if the name of the boot is written on top Adidas Predator, and you go to Boots Boutique and you change his boot, it will not show until you hit default. Okay, remember that much. So if his boots don't show, it's because you need to hit default. So these are his default boots that he's wearing as of now, which I don't know how he's wearing honestly. But that's what I know is like if you make him wear any boot, for example, let's make him wear a Nike boot, right? And he's wearing a boot like this, and you go to Boots Boutique and you change it to an Adidas boot, and if it doesn't change, if it's still Nike, don't worry. All you need to do is hit uh, Y, W, or whatever triangle, and revert to default, and that should get his Adidas boots back. So, anyways, hopefully this tutorial is straightforward. Hopefully I explained the things as much as I could. If you have any doubts, you can comment in the video below, or if and you can send this video to people on EvoWeb, those who use UML, those who use Virtua Red, those who use any other patches. I am not really sure how to help you there. I only know how to do this for football life. So you can use this video as a base, basically the same thing, and you can figure it out yourself through ChatGPT, Gemini, AI, or you can send this video to someone on EvoWeb who has knowledge on UML or Virtua Red or something like that, and you can fix it that way. So I hope this video works for you all, and thank you for watching. Take care.